What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the rc-1572 from Rotel. As you guys know, we are a Rotel nationwide authorized dealer and really pride ourselves on this new partnership. We are getting into high fidelity, and this is just another awesome piece that we can offer to you guys. I'm going to open this bad boy up and show you guys some of the details and quick specs of the unit. If you would like to purchase, we have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. All right, let's get into it. Okay. Woo! As you guys know, Dreamedia is on the journey to delivering you guys the absolute best experience in 2-channel as well as home theater audio and video. We really love this stuff, guys. So if you don't know what you need, our audio video consultants will be happy to walk you through options that fit your budget and space. This is a great piece. $1,300 retail. Really can't beat it. Got some power cords in here. We got a network connection. This unit is specifically designed to work with iOS devices. You got a connection for PC through USB. Nice quality power cable. And you got a 3.5 and RCA. And then this is the remote. We're gonna be doing videos of setting this up as well as videos of this in action, demo videos in a room right over there. So you guys got to subscribe to the channel. A lot of really good content coming. You guys asked for it, we're delivering it. Right here you're going to find just the instructions, owner's manual, warranty information. We are an authorized reseller. It's really important when you're buying, especially on the internet, that you're buying from an authorized reseller. We really pride ourselves on our relationships there, guys. All right, let's look at the back here. All right, so we got a ground, and that's gonna be for your turntable. You got the left and right analog inputs for all of your different sources here. Phono, CD, tuner, aux, and then you got mono sub outs, 2 of them. And then pre-outs, left and right. And then balanced outputs that are XLRs. This is really important. And balanced inputs that are XLRs as well. You're not going to find that on all units. You got links and basically everything related to control right up here. And then USB, RS-232. Down here you got all your digital inputs. And then that PC cable that I showed you earlier plugs in there, and then your network connection. I always recommend hardwiring it, guys. It makes everything work so much more efficient. You got your power cord that plugs in right there. Now, this does have a moving magnetic phono input for a turntable connection, as well as Bluetooth built in. And then, like I said, it has the balanced XLR inputs and outputs, which is huge. Let's look at the front. I love this brushed look. Just really screams high end. And it complements the rest of the system really well. I'm going to show you guys the rest of the components. Like there's a CD player in the other room that we're going to be using in this setup, as well as an amplifier. And I'm going to take you in there and show you this stacked so you can just see the beauty in action, what we're working on here. And again, to see everything set up, you guys are going to have to subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, look at what we're working with in here, boys. Yeah, what do you know about that? So gorgeous. So these are all designed, obviously, to complement each other. I mean, look at how beautiful it is. You got the RB1590. I did a completely separate unboxing video on this, and then you got the rc-1572, which is a CD player. So preamp, amp, CD player. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the unboxing video of the rc-1572. This is a beautiful hi-fi preamp. If you're wanting to get into hi-fi stereo and still be at a reasonable price point, you can't beat this guy. We're a nationwide dealer and we have the lowest price guaranteed with free shipping. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.